Y'all, this is crazy. I can't even believe it. We met Alana's boyfriend, Draylon, on Mama June Family Crisis. I think that was like last season, maybe. We met Draylon. We heard about Draylon before we met him on the show. They confirmed their relationship before the show came on. I think it was last season. And last season is when we met him. I'm not going to lie. A lot of people had thoughts on their relationship due to the age difference, and they got a lot of pushback. We'll get into more about that later, but seeing him on the show, I will say that I really liked Draylon. I was like, oh, he seems like a cool dude. Either way, I don't know if some opinions are going to change after today and what we're about to find out, but y'all, Draylon was arrested. Not only was he arrested, but he led the cops on like a 3-mile car chase, according to reports. So let's go ahead, let's get into you guys because it's crazy. So TMZ was the first media outlet to report this, but on February 28th, Draylon, along with Alana and a friend of theirs by the name of Julian Williams, they were in Draylon's Dodge Charger. They were stopped at a gas station, and for some reason, a police officer decided to run his tags. You guys tell me, can a cop just run your tags for no reason? Maybe they look suspicious. Is looking suspicious enough reason to run your tags? I don't know. But either way, they're at the gas station. A cop sees them, runs the tags, and it comes back that the owner of the Dodge Charger has warrants. So when Draylon leaves the gas station, the cop jumps in behind him, turns the lights on to pull him over, y'all, and Draylon doesn't stop. Instead, he decides just to keep on going. He leads the cops on a 3-mile chase, which literally ended with the cops having to use what they call a pit maneuver. And that's where the cop like kind of goes up on you and like booms your car and it spins around. I'm going to show you guys because it's dangerous, honestly. I mean, look at this. This is what the cops had to do to get Draylon's car to stop. Mind you, Alana is in the car with him. She's literally in the car with him. So that's a scary thought to think about. So they got the car to stop by using that pit maneuver. Pit, the acronym for it, but it's called precision immobilization technique. I'm just glad they didn't throw like the spikes out because then your tires blow out and you could potentially wreck, which honestly, depending on how fast he was going, doing the pit maneuver could cause the car to flip or wreck as well. So thankfully, no one got hurt, you guys, but I'm just mind blown. Now, according to court records, they are saying that Draylon was officially charged with fleeing or attempting to elude a police officer. Y'all, I'm not going to judge him yet because I got charged with fleeing as well, and that was not the case. So I always go back to my arrest. I don't want to judge him too quickly. They said that they followed me for 5 miles. Wasn't true. They lied. I don't always trust the police, you guys. Ever since it happened, I just can't. But they did charge him with fleeing or attempting to elude a police officer, as well as DUI, less safe drugs. And according to the Ashley, this is a charge that means the drugs that Draylon allegedly had in his system made his driving less safe. Are there drugs that you can't? Well, yeah, I guess there's drugs that you can't take that doesn't affect your ability to drive. Either way, they are saying that the drugs that he was under the influence of made his driving less safe. Now, he also faces 3 traffic-related charges as well as those warrants that they initially tried to pull him over for. So he's got a buttload of legal issues that he's looking at this moment. Not only that, but marijuana was found in the car. I don't think, they don't say, like I don't think they charged him with marijuana, but the report notes that marijuana was found in the car. Now, Alana, she wasn't charged with anything. She wasn't arrested. The other man in the car, Julian Williams, he was arrested because he also had outstanding warrants. So all this happens, they arrest Draylon, they arrest the other guy, and Alana is standing on the side of the road, watching everything go down, watching her boyfriend get arrested, and someone actually snapped a photo of her. I can't find the photo, but it's being reported that a photo of Alana standing on the side of the road after the whole car chase did run in the Monroe County Record. I don't know if that's like their local paper or what, but I looked it up and I can't find it. But it is being reported that there's a photo of her standing. I'm trying to get that photo. If somebody has it, send it to me. Either way, she was picked up by her sister, Pumpkin. So I think she may have been picked up on the side of the road, or they may have taken her. They may have taken her to, I want to say they took her to like the county jail or whatever, and Pumpkin went and picked her up from there. Anyways, Draylen spent 2 days behind bars, and then he was released on a $25,000 bond. More than likely, he hired a bondsman, and he paid probably like $2,600, $2,700. But still, y'all, that's a scary thought to think about. I mean, Pumpkin is taking care of Alana. Alana is 17, and you know, you worry about your children when they leave the house. And to think that this happened, Draylen getting pulled over, didn't stop, and they had to use the pit maneuver to get them to stop. Alana could have been hurt. Everybody could have been hurt in that situation. So if I was Pumpkin and Josh right now, the next time I talk to Draylen, we would have a sit down. You know, like, listen, buddy, if the cops get behind you, as long as you got Alana in that car, you better stop. Don't put her in danger no more. I feel like that's probably going to happen. I definitely feel like that's going to happen, because I trust Josh and Pumpkin with the way they raise Alana. Anyways, you guys, like I said in the beginning of this video, when Draylen first came on the scene and they announced their relationship, internet sleuths started digging into Draylen, and they found that Draylen has a little bit of a past, because he was arrested in May of 2019 and was charged with statutory rape. And when that came out, people were not pleased. People had a lot of opinions. I had opinions, I'm not going to lie. According to the reports, though, Draylen was 18 at the time that he was arrested, and he was busted for having sex with a 15-year-old girl. Now, the charges would eventually be dismissed because the 15-year-old girl, she would tell the investigators that it was consensual. And she was just a few weeks shy of 16 years old, which is the legal age of consent in Georgia. So what happened, though, is Draylen got caught sneaking out of the window. The mom called the police. Draylen was interviewed. He denied it at first. The girl admitted it, but she said, hey, it was consensual. But the mom tried to push it for a little bit, I do believe. But the girl was just a few weeks shy of 16. And they were like a thing. They were like a thing, you know. Still, I mean, that's a gap. 15 and 18, that's a gap. So I guess it got dismissed, you know. So the girl did say, hey, it's consensual. Now, when these legal issues came out, the public, like I said, they had their opinions. And Alana and Draylen faced a lot of backlash over it. But Alana defended him. She didn't care what people had to say. And she defended the age difference. She defended, you know, she knew about his background. And she was good with it. On I think it was a TikTok live, she would tell her followers, I don't care. Like, at the end of the day, I'm happy. My sister Pumpkin approves. Draylen's mom approves. And me and Draylen are happy together. And she would tell her fans, so like what the fans got to say or what haters got to say, I really don't care. So she really was like, hey, I'm good. I don't care. And she kind of said more or less like, she went to say fans, but then she was like haters. So she basically thought like anybody that really was going to be too negative about it was a hater anyways. Now, a lot of people was wondering what Pumpkin would say after that information came out, but Pumpkin spoke up in defense of her sister and Draylen's relationship as well. One thing that she spoke up about was the fact that the age difference. She was good with it. She even said like, hey, me and Josh had an age difference, and look at us. Look where we are. I'm good with it. She also talked about the fact that Alana is very mature for her age. She's like, hey, listen, she's not pregnant. She's doing great in school. She's not trying to get married. And she's, you know, raised in the spotlight. She's went through a lot. So she's really mature for her age. She said, Pumpkin said that Alana and Draylen are on like the same wavelength. Maturity-wise, they're like in sync with each other. So she doesn't care. She said she loves Draylen. The kids love Draylen. Alana loves Draylen. Josh loves Draylen. And she said Draylen's family has been really good to their family as well. So as in Draylen's parents have been good to Alana, even good to Pumpkin and Josh. So it seems like all their families, you know, get along and hang out, and they all like each other. So yeah, Pumpkin very quickly, like she always does, she came in clutch to defend Alana and Draylen's relationship. And this was immediately after that information came out about his May 2019 arrest for statutory rape. She defended him, and she said, you know, there might be an age difference, but she said it's the exact same age difference between her and Josh, and her and Josh are doing great. They're happy. So she's like, hey, if Alana's happy, I'm happy for her, and we love Draylen. So I am curious to see what's going to be said about this. I'm curious to see what Pumpkin and Josh will say about it, what Alana's going to say about it. I would have to imagine, no matter how much Alana loves Draylen, she's going to have to admit that this was a stupid move on his part to put everybody in danger, everybody on the road, everybody in the car, her, the police officers, all because he had warrants. That if he would have just pulled over, he probably would have got arrested, but he probably could have got out the same day on a much cheaper warrant. Now he has all these other charges that he's looking at. He may have to do some jail time over this. I don't know. But it's a whole bigger situation now. I bet he wishes he would have just pulled over. But yeah, if they talk about this, if they react or respond, I'll let you guys know. You guys leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Draylon, you guys, I can't believe it. I like Draylon. I really do. You know, after seeing him on Mama June, seeing how happy he makes Alana. And Alana's dealt with a lot, you guys. She has just had a rough life, you know. To see her have someone that just makes her giddy and they have such a good time together. I loved it. Stupid move, Draylon. Stupid move. You guys leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will keep you guys updated on this situation with Alana and Draylon. If Pumpkin comes out to say something, I'll let you guys know. If Alana or Draylon speaks on this matter, I will let you guys know. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit that subscribe button somewhere down there so you are updated on all the latest information. And give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.